In this video, I am going to be showing you how to solve this thermistor equation and get the value of the temperature. So the first thing that I'm going to do is copy down the equation so I know what I am solving for. One over T is equal to T over T0 plus 1 over B and natural log of R over R0. So that is the equation. Now I'm going to be substituting the values for each of these variables. So what I need to find is this temperature value here, and 1 over T0 is 298.15 plus 1 over B is 3977 and natural log of R, which is 7,000 and divided by R0, which is the okay, so yes, here the R0 is 10,000 because it's 10K. So I'm going to change that number here and I'll plug in the value here for 10,000. And now I will go ahead and okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and start solving this equation, and I can use Google for this. So let's do this first here, 7,000 divided by 10,000, and let's do that on the calculator. I'll pull that out. So let's do 7,000 divided by 10,000, and let's do the natural log ln 0.7. Okay, got this answer here. I'll copy this over and paste it in here. And that is going to be divided by 3977. So let me do that. Plus get this answer divided by 3977. That is a very tiny number. Let's take it and let's copy it over. And let's paste it in here. Let's do this next, which is 1 over 298.15. Let's do that in a different tab. 1 divided by 298.15. That's a tiny number. Let's copy that also. Okay, let me paste that in here. So this minus that number is equal to 1 over t. So I'm just going to put plus here, but we know that plus and a minus, we're actually just going to be subtracting it out. So let's do that then. Go back to my computer. Okay, so let me copy this. And let's add it to this number. So do a plus. No, that was a division. I want to do a plus. Or plus. Okay, yeah, I changed it up for me. And then let's paste in that number. Actually, it doesn't let me paste it in. So let me do this separately. Let's copy this. Plus this big number. Okay, I've got this number here, this big number. I'll copy it and go back to my notepad. So that and is equal to 1 over t. And so T, which is the temperature in Kelvin, is equal to the inverse of this number. So 1 divided by this number. And 1 divided by. Okay, so it's this is the temperature in Kelvin. I'll put a K here for Kelvin, degrees Kelvin. If I want to change that up into degrees Celsius, then all I have to do is use the degree Celsius equation, which is here, the temperature minus 273.15. So that minus 273 minus 273.15 is equal to 33. That's about right. That temperature is right. That looks correct to me. And that's degree Celsius. So that is the final answer. It looks good. It looks correct. It's supposed to be like that. And that's it. That's it for the. Yep, that's pretty much it. Okay, so once again, to summarize, we were looking for the temperature, and we had all of the values given to us. All we had to do is solve for this T temperature value, and we plugged everything into the equation, and we got the final answer as 33.19 degrees Celsius. That's all.